Hello, students of Standard 3rd and 4th, DAV Mall Public School, Sitasangi. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is preposition. This topic is taken from your English practice book. In the last video, we learned preposition. Now again, we are reminding this topic. Okay, so listen carefully. Before, up, over, across, these all are prepositions. After, down, under, beside, on, off, with, at, off, from, without, by, in, behind, between, about, into, below, among, around, these all are preposition. Now look at this picture. Where is the puppy? Puppy is near the table. And the parrot? Parrot is on the tree and mango is also on the tree. And in the next picture, mango is on the table, ball is on the table. Parrot is under the table and puppy is behind the table. Now, in this picture, puppy is under the table, ball is on the table, and parrot is on the table, and mango is on the tree. And in this picture, ball is under the table, puppy is on the table, parrot is on the tree, and mango is near the tree, near the table. And in this sentence, in this picture, parrot is under the table, mango is on the table, ball is on the table, and puppy is near the table. Ball is on the table, parrot is near the table. Puppy is under the table, ball is on the table, parrot is on the table, and mango is on the tree. These all are prepositions which we use. Now look at the sentences and read it carefully. The words which are underlined, these all are prepositions. I am reading the sentence. It was late of the night. Of is the preposition in the sentence. Anita was looking out at her door. At is here preposition, but is this correct? These all are prepositions are correct? No, these all are wrong. Means it was late of night. This is wrong. Of this preposition is wrong. First underline all the preposition. Anita was looking out at her window. At is underline, which is wrong preposition. She saw a stranger at the street. At is wrong preposition, so underline it. He was looking to a new car. 2. He tried at force upon the front. Wrong. Windows in the car, but he did not succeed. Anita called out in him, but he did not look up. Now I am changing the sentence. Look at this. It was late in the night. So in is correct preposition here. Anita was looking out from her window. Out from her window. From is the correct preposition here. She saw a stranger on the street. On is correct preposition. He was looking at a new car. At is correct preposition. He tried with force open the front. With is the correct preposition in this sentence. windows of the car, but he did. Windows of is preposition. Did not succeed. Anita called out to him, but he did not look at. These all are correct preposition, and these are wrong preposition. Is not suitable in this sentence. I hope you all understood this topic, preposition. So learn it and complete your practice book. Okay students, bye, have a nice day.